masulti nimo atong country nga willing kaayo siya dawaton for the interim release?
Kung kinsa man itong nasod, thank you in advance for accepting my father. If ever that will happen. But still, kung wala man, since kung isugot na ka, I will not forget this.
Positive ta aning kuan karon mayor nga ma-approve yun sa paboranta sa kanino sa interim release sa ICC.
Honestly, akong tanaw manggod, ang ICC dili kayo confident akong tanaw sa iya ha. Because ang katong extraordinary rendition nga nahitabo manggod kang PRRD kadto pala manggodaan kuan na they should have sent him back here just to allow the process to take its course. And yet, gidawat nila dito sa ilang detention center. So, I have this suspicion nga ang ICC is a political tool. Kay, you know, it was in a kanang layman's term, technically it was kidnapping that transpired dito sa kuan sa Villamor Air Base.
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.